Namaskara. I'm Parimala Jaggesh, the founder of Alamirap Nutrition. Today, in this video, we are talking about diabetes and how can you get it under the best control by using this CGM. This has been used in our nutrition company since 2017, and very recently there was a video series regarding this in a person called Gaurish Akki Studio, and we had four friends from Jayanagar, all senior citizens who did drop by to our office to know how to manage their sugars better. The beauty of this friendship circle was every day in the morning they go to walk in Lalbagh. Post that, obviously, they all go for their breakfast and coffee. Now, the shocking fact after using the CGM, what they discovered was what breakfast is okay for one friend does not suit the other. For example, for one friend, any item made of rava doesn't suit. There was the other friend where the minute he eats idli, his sugars were shooting up. What does this say? What does this prove? Every human being is different. What particular foods suit you may not suit the others. So the smartness in diabetes management would be obviously to understand the best foods to keep your sugars under control. We all know the secondary complications of uncontrolled diabetes. Heart, kidney, liver, eyes, everything starts getting damaged. Smartness lies in using the latest in technology. We are pioneers since 2017. We are using the CGM. If you, your friends or family circle do have diabetes, our contact number is there. Reach out to us. We will guide you. Do not ignore diabetes, and yes, you can get it under very good control with the foods from your kitchen. It's as simple as that. So let's combine the latest in technology with our ancient cooking wisdom. See you all soon.